오늘은 벤츠 C클래스 W205 도어트림 분해 영상을 준비했습니다. 그럼 보시죠.
That one there is easy to see. That one's the front one, so there's one. And then all the way back here. Like turn you upside down for a second. That's a silver color. That's the other one. So those are the only two bolts. Red bottom one. Against is the little tweeter up here. Forward. So when you put this on, you're gonna take it and slide it the top and bottom tabs. Here. Top and bottom tabs. And then just slide it back into place. Right there. Slides up and in. You'll hear it snap. Heard. And the other thing is, I got a sample of that door. Say you've been using the hook loop system. Just make sure before you put it back on, pull it back and slide it over top of it. So you want to line it back up and put the green back inside. You don't just clockwise and pop back in. Hopefully this video helped you out.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드립니다.